Are you using IPTV Smarters Pro, but your app keeps lagging, crashing, or just feels slow on your smart TV? You might be using the wrong app for your device, and that's costing you time, money, and a lot of frustration. In this video, I'll break down the best smart TV apps you can use with IPTV Smarters Pro and help you choose the one that actually works best for your setup. Welcome to TechVibes. Let's keep this simple and get you the best experience fast. First, let's talk about IPTV Smarters Pro itself. It's popular for a reason. Clean interface, easy login, and supports live TV, movies, and series. If you're on Android TV or Fire TV, this app works well right out of the box. But here's the catch. On some smart TVs, especially older models, it can feel slow or crash randomly. So if you're facing that, it's not always your IPTV service, it's the app compatibility. Second, TVMate is the performance king. If you're using Android TV or Fire TV, TVMate is hands down the smoothest option. Faster channel switching, better EPG layout, and way more customization. It feels like a premium cable box. The downside, full features require a small paid version, but honestly, it's worth it if you want zero lag and a clean experience. Third, Smart IPTV and its alternatives. Apps like Smart IPTV or Duplex IPTV are often used on LG and Samsung TVs. They are simple and stable. No heavy features, just straight streaming. This makes them perfect for older TVs that can't handle heavier apps. But they usually require a one-time activation fee, still cheaper than dealing with constant buffering and app crashes. Fourth, VLC player as a backup solution. If everything fails, VLC is your safety net. It's not pretty, but it works. You can load your playlist and stream channels without relying on fancy interfaces. This is great when your main app starts acting up. Think of it as your emergency player. Fifth, choosing the right app saves you money. Most people think buffering means they need a new IPTV provider. That's not always true. In many cases, switching to a better app fixes the issue instantly. No need to spend more money. Just use the right tool for your device. Now here's a bonus tip that most users ignore. Match the app to your device, not the hype. If you're on Android TV, go with TVMate. If you're on Samsung or LG, use simpler apps like Duplex or Smart IPTV, and always keep a backup player like VLC ready. This one decision can save you hours of frustration. At the end of the day, there is no single king for everyone. The best app is the one that runs smoothly on your specific TV and gives you a stress-free experience. If you're not sure which app fits your setup, drop a comment below. I'll reply within 1 hour and help you choose the best one. If this helped you, like the video, share it with someone struggling with IPTV, and subscribe to TechVibes for more smart and simple tech tips. See you in the next one.